Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use stacks on a Mac to clean the desktop on your Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, so we can now get into the video. So now you can see that I am on the desktop. If we right click, use stacks, this will stack all the items together and categorize the folders, the files, the photos, the documents. If we were to now uncheck use stacks, we can now see that everything has reverted back to what it was at the start of the video. If we clean up the desktop, everything is now aligned. If we clean up by the name, everything is now aligned. However, if we now reuse the stacks, everything is stacked together from folders to photos and documents, all in order. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.